Living abiotic?
Yes, teacher!
Let's proceed about the abiotic. Okay, so, pwede niyo magbasa sa akin ng sabay-sabay?
Abiotic pertains to non-living things in ecosystem such as air, water, nutrients, sunlight, and temperature.
Okay, thank you. And this is the non-living part of ecosystem. Okay, so mga halimbawa ng non-living, ito na yung air, water, nutrients, sunlight, and temperature, soil. Ito na yung mga walang buhay. Tama? Okay, so naiintindihan po ba? Okay, so paano naman tayo mag-proceed to the Dr. Jess? Okay, so this is Ecosphere by Dr. Jeff. Okay, so a self-sustain ecosystem and a seal in the enclosed ecosphere. Okay, so kung saan yung mga organism nabubuhay sila sa pulong ng isa't isa. So ito na ay ito yung cycle by Dr. Jeff. Okay, so may araw, may algae, shrimp, and bacteria. So itong algae, nag-grow siya because of the sun. So nakakapag-provide siya ng food dahil sa araw. Then, ito namang algae, is nagsisilbing pagkain ng shrimp. O ito na yun, diba? Kikita niyo po?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so ito na yung nagsisilbing pagkain ng shrimp. Nakapag naman ng shrimp is naglalabas ng dumi or yung ito naman ang ito na yung bacteria. Ito na yung nagsisilbing nutrients sa bacteria. Yung dumi ng shrimp. Na nagsisilbing pagkain naman ng algae. Okay, so naiintindihan po ba? Okay, so, any question and clarification class? May tanong po ba tayo? So, Ramadan will have a quick review to our topic.
Okay, class. So, okay po ba ang lahat?
Yes, teacher!
Busy pa ba ang lahat?
Yes, teacher!
So, kung busy pa nga, sige nga, bigyan ako ng isang power cup. Power cup. 1, 2, 3, power. Again, ulit. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, so busy na kasi natin, no? So, let's have first a quick review lang sa ating topic. So, ano yan ang topic natin is all about? Ecosystem. In ecosystem, we have two, which is human as a protector and as a destroyer. We have also two types of ecosystem, which is the aquatic ecosystem and terrestrial ecosystem. So we also have the two components of ecosystem, which is the biotic and abiotic.
Mr. Ramadan.
Okay, teacher on po, injection.
Okay, very good. So, ang activity natin is let's draw it. So, si Teacher Ramadan magpapagpun sa inyo ng 2 each group. Okay, Mr. Ramadan, the floor is yours.
Okay, so I'm back, guys. My class around here. Okay, so let's group ourselves into 2 by counting 1 and 2. Okay, so let's start here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Okay, so taas lahat ng group 1, taas kamay. Okay. Group 2, taas kamay. Okay, so lahat ng group 1 dito na side. Lahat ng group 2 dito na side. Wait lang, hindi ko sinabing tayo na. Okay, so I'll give you 10 seconds para pumunta sa inyong group mates. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so I think lahat nasa grupo na, sa kanya-kanya grupo na. Okay, so explain sa inyo ni Teacher Bituken ulit kung ano yung mechanics ng ating activity. Okay, Teacher Bituken?
So, yung last kailangan ng materials is bond paper, 3 different color which is green, blue, red, and pencil. So, class ang ina-draw nyo is 3 bin system. So, the instruction of this is you need to draw the 3 bins, so which is green for organic waste, blue for recyclable waste, and Yes, teacher. Let's give Miss Cassandra a very good clap because her answer is correct. Okay, let's give her a very good clap. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Okay, that ends my part. We call teachers to please be in front because our topic is already done.
Okay, that will be all for the class for today. Okay, so thank you for participating. I hope you gain another knowledge from this topic. And class,